ngayon doon sa Anytime Fitness na nakita natin kagabi. And right now, tulog pa sila. So, let's go work out. Okay guys, all done. Let's go back to the hotel. Hopefully, gising na sila para mag-breakfast na. And then we go about our day today. Let's go. We're gonna go around BGC. Not sure kung ano pang gagawin namin dito. So, tara. Good morning. How's your sleep? How's your sleep?
There's a fly.
Good. How's your sleep, Elijah?
Good.
Good. Look at the view. Our view. Look at that. Tall buildings. Okay guys, naghahanap kami ng makakainan. We don't know where to eat. Nonom's Comfort Food. Let's go check the menu. Kasi sarado pa yata yung mall. House Sisig. Pang-almusal. Guys, dito kami kakain ngayon sa Manam Comfort Food. Dito lang siya sa Uptown Mall. Hi. Hello. Breakfast is done. Punta kami ngayon sa Market kasi maglalaro kami ng arcades with these kids. Let's go. Alright guys, dito na tayo sa Market. I think 20 years ago pa ako nakapunta dito. Only once, and actually hindi ko na masyadong tanda kung ano itsura nito dati. Ang tanda ko lang yung nasa labas. And that's it. Meron palang mga ganito sa loob. Look, merong arcade sa middle. Maliit yung arcade pero meron pang time zone dito eh. Si Kuya Elijah hindi makapaniwala na merong 5th floor tong mall.
Because it has the same amount of floors as Mall of America.
Yan talaga, malalaki ang mall dito.
This is an average mall?
Yeah. Yeah. That's a bigger one. Do you see that? Boom. Let's go.
This is gonna be cool.
Yeah, this one's gonna be cool. Where you wanna go? We're gonna get a card first.
No way. Nah, that's crazy. What did you win?
33.
60 tickets.
60 tickets. Oh, si Kuya Elijah naman. Oh, ready? Press the red button. Short! Oh my God! There you go. Huwag mong tayin. I'm going.
Oh, what the heck?
You're going. You're going.
Oh, it's so far.
What happened? What happened?
I'm too close to the bin.
What?
I'm too close to the bin.
What rim?
I'm too close to the thing. It keeps hitting the top.
just not doing it properly.
I'm gonna hit the thing if I do this.
Okay, could try again later. Let's go, Emil. You cheated. Cheater. Hi. Hi, bus driver.
I think what do you want? I don't know. I want ice cream.
Ice cream, okay. Here you go. Give it to him. Give it to him.
Thank you. Guys, it's so good. You guys should go here.
Thank you, Emil. Wow, you're a driver, huh?
Daddy, what do you want?
Tomatoes, yes. Order.
Ice cream.
Press this one, the red button. Good job. And then a hamburger, the red button. Time is up. Good job. Bye-bye. Okay, just you, Ellis. Go. Press the gas. Keep going. Just look at your mirror. Just look at your gate. Stay in the middle. Drifting. Whoa. Oh no. Oh no. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, not too much. Ellis is driving a Porsche. Oh, he's flying. That's okay. Good job. Okay guys, game 2 namin ni Kuya Elijah. Sino kaya mananalo? Who do you think's gonna win? Let's go, Porsche! Stop hitting me, Bob. What? There's a bump. That's what you get. Bum bum. Hello. Let's go. Very intense game, guys. The new challenger. Oh, good, bro. New challenger. New challenger. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Porsche. Let's go. Oh, it's fun. Oh, yeah. Where are you, Elijah? Elijah is far behind. New challenger. Hi, Elijah. Go, boys. Kilometers left. Go, boys. Go, go. Hit there. Go. 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 Good job. Nanalo si Kuya. Good game, Kuya. Talo kami, talo. The Elijah still beat me though. Oh my God.
Back to this game.
Yun lang eh.
You're stronger than me too.
But the ball's not that heavy.
It is kind of. But you beat it. You got not 39. You got 39.
I got 39.
My turn?
Yeah. Let's see kung ano score ni kay Elijah. Go. Press the red. Nice shot. Nice shot. Yes. 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 Ooh. 17.
Yay! I beat my score.
Bumibili na sila ng tanghulo. Can I try, Kuya Ellis?
Eleven. 11 out of 10. Why are you always doing over the bot?
Whoa.
It's a solid space.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Ready?
Yeah.
Welcome. Good water. Good water.
The first book stop felt like
Oh my gosh.
we're playing a game, guys. Who can punch the hardest?
4,000, look. No. You don't have to lock it.
I punch harder.
Okay guys, we're all done. Tignan natin kung meron tayong makukuha. Balance, check. 555 tickets. Ano makukuha natin? Yung Skittles, how much is the Skittles? 430 Skittles.
How much this?
260. Pwede yan, dalawa. So ito yung place na napuntahan ko before. Hindi ako pumunta doon sa loob before. I don't think. That's it. Ito lang yung natatandaan ko sa market. Ito yung hinahanap ni April, buko. Guys, finally, we're trying the buko. So guys, nagpunta pala kami kanina sa Airbnb namin para mag-rest after yung market. And then ngayon, outside again, we're gonna go to the outdoor playground.
That one's kind of far away.
That's okay. We have time. Just walk, enjoy, whatever. So yeah, doon kami pupunta. Hanapin namin kung saan yun. Who's this guy? Lapu-Lapu or Magellan? Oh, there's a playground here. May kaming small playground na nakita. This is for workout, bro. Hindi playground to. This is outdoor workout. Oh, whoa. Yeah, you push yourself up like that. Guys, itong structure na to, si Andres Bonifacio pala to. So, let's go to Marketplace. Let's go. Oh, wow. So, saan tayo?
Central Square.
Central Square. I think center ng BGC, I guess. I don't know. But dito maraming tao. So ito yung famous dito sa BGC. And then I think that's where they're gonna do New Year's Eve. Kasi nagsiset up sila doon. Guys, nasa High Street pala kami. Ganda siya. Daming tao. Daming nagpa-pictures. Oh, yun yung Gentle Monster na yung nakikita namin sa video. Look, always na kami, guys. Pero sila parang fresh na fresh pa din sila. Let's go to the Gentle Monster. Let's take a picture here. Dito. Dito. Gentle Monster. Wala, kuya. Masyadong mahaba ang pila. And yeah, we wanna see it. Maybe we should go there when it opens in the morning para wala masyadong tao. We're starting to get hungry. Baka kumain muna kami and then maglakad-lakad ulit. But yeah, we're getting hungry. So guys, we ended up going dito sa Chowking. First time namin kumain sa Chowking this trip. And we wanna eat. We're hungry. Yeah, look, right here, huh?
Can we go anytime? Do you have to pay?
Of course.
Let's race, Alice. You want to race? Why would I race? Why not?
Hello! Look at Kuya Elijah. Look at me and Emil. Kuya Alice, hi! Hi, Emil. Kuya Elijah, hi! Oh, there's a traffic. We're gonna go race Kuya Elijah. Let's go with Kuya Elijah. Let's go. Here's Kuya Elijah. Hi, Kuya Elijah.
Hi.
You're gonna go race him. Come on. You're gonna go fast. I'm coming, guys. Wait, let's wait for them. How was that, bro?
Good.
Good? You tired? Look at you. All powers. How was that?
You look so cute.
How was the go-kart?
Nice.
Nice? You like it?
10.
10 out of 10?
100.
Pretty tiring. We're back at home. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Peace.